What's good, fam? Welcome to another video. My name is Ted and I usually talk bass. This channel is all about tips, tricks, and tutorials for the blue collar bass player, but today is a little something different. This video is about DistroKid. If you stick around and you like what you see and you want to check out DistroKid, you can use the link below and you'll get a 7% discount on your first uploads. So check it out. Here's what you need to get your music out to all the major outlets. You need what's called an aggregator or distributor. And that's what DistroKid is. So let me walk you through. I set up an account, not my main account. I set up a different account, and I just want to show you how easy the process is to get your music out there. Okay? So first of all, let's look at the home page and just show you what some of the features are here. So they, like I said, they get your music on all of the major outlets: Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, Pandora, all those major, plus 150 other outlets, right? But definitely you want to be on the main ones. You keep 100% of your royalties and you get paid every month, okay? So also another really enticing factor is, like with some aggregators, what you have to do, you upload your music and then it takes a week, two, something like that, in order for your music to get out. So you have to really kind of plan ahead to for your release dates and things like that. This is the kicker. $19.99 a year for unlimited uploads. So let's say, you know, you're a MC or a beat maker or something like that, and you just want to put out music, you know, every month. You want to put out something every week. I don't know. $19.99 gets you unlimited uploads for the year. There's some other companies that do good work, but will cost you a lot more money. So price is definitely a factor. Here's another thing that's really enticing for me is that, let's say you have 2 or 3 different co-writers, and so everybody's got a cut in that composition, right? So if you don't have your split set up, then you're kind of going on good faith. And then when your money comes in, you have to go out to those people and say, hey man, here's your cut, here's your cut, here's your cut. DistroKid is going to do that for you. All right. So you can set it up to where you get your splits. You know, you enter in the information of your co-writers and you don't even have to worry about it. The money goes where it's supposed to go. Okay. You can also do cover songs legally. Now check this out. Let's say you do a cover that you want to release. It's super dope. Well, you still have to go through like the Harry Fox agency or whatever, and you're going to pay like $500 or more to get the rights to use that song. DistroKid is going to allow you to do that. I'm going to show you. So check it out. I have like a little dummy project that I set up here. Just pulled up a tune that I just finished working on, like a little pop tune. And I just want to show you the process. This is the whole page, but we'll go through each section of the page. So you check all the stores you want them in. I mean, you may want to stop at like iHeartRadio, but why would you want to do that? So because those, you know, iHeartRadio, those are the major ones. And then you get all of these down here plus 150 plus smaller outlets. So you're just everywhere, right? Your music is everywhere. Now, if you want to do a single, you just choose one song. You want to choose a bunch of songs, you choose. Now, you got an album that's like 35 songs. You are mighty prolific. You could throw all 35 up there. Still only going to cost you $19.99 a year. It's not going to cost you any more. Is the music previously released? Simple, yes or no. So my artist name is Brother Theodore. What DistroKid just did was search for other artists, to search that name. Is that me? Yep, that's me. So now I'm not getting mixed up with somebody else, right? Release date is going to be set for today unless you upgrade. There is an upgrade for you to like set release dates out in the future, but that's not really a big deal. You can also set up an iTunes pre-order, right? You're going to choose an image for your project. I'm just gonna pick something super random here. So there's that, and that's just gonna crop it, okay? No big deal, but you want to have high quality artwork, right? If you can't do this yourself, get somebody to do it. If you have blurry images or pixelated images, stores are going to reject it. You need to have a high quality image, and you'll see all of the guidelines for that right here in this section. Language, English, genre. The tune I'm going to put up here right now just for show is pop. Then you pick a subgenre. I'll call it R&B. Name of the tune is, or the working title is We Are One. Again, I'm not really going to release this, okay? You're going to choose your audio file. Pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to choose that file. I'm going to put my given name in there, saying that I am... Why not stage names? All that stuff. It'll explain to you why. And then you can add your song, you know, other songwriters or whatever. Right now, I'm just going to keep my own name there. Explicit lyrics? No. Is it a radio edit? No. You choose accordingly, right? Is it instrumental? No. Well, this one is. But we're not worried about that right now. iTunes automatically charges 99 cents per track. If you want to set your own price, you do have to upgrade for that, but that's okay, and I think 99 cents is typically a pretty standard and fair price. Instagram and Facebook. If you add it to the music, if you click this option to add to Instagram and Facebook, that means that if you or somebody else wants to use the song in your stories or anything like that, it'll pop up, right? YouTube money. Get notified and paid if your music is ever used in any YouTube videos. I posted my own song in a YouTube video one time, and I got a copyright claim, and it felt good. You know how everybody's like, I do not own the rights to this music? I emailed them back, actually, I do own the rights to this music, because it's my music. So you would click all the appropriate spots there, and YouTube does take it very, very seriously. So you have to, you know, be honest about your samples and your loops, all that. I'm going to leave this unchecked for right now. Shazam and Siri, 99 cents. 99 cents a year. So then you're at what, $20 a year. So your song shows up on Shazam. If somebody's like, hey, what's that song? Shazam it, and then you're good. Here's another one, and this is maybe a tiny bit morbid or whatever, but I mean, times are crazy, so leave a legacy. $29 one-time fee, non-recurring. Leave a legacy. DistroKid will never delete this single from stores due to a lapse in DistroKid membership. For example, if your card is declined, or if you are no longer around. Let's just keep it honest. I mean, nowadays, so much of our lives are online, and you know, what happens if, you know, it's our time to go. So after you do all that, there was one option that I wanted to show you that I talked about before. Let's go back here. Let's say that under songwriter, another artist wrote it, or it's a cover song. You click on that option, and you're going to get all these guidelines for cover songs, right? You'll type in the artist's name, all that stuff. Check it out, man. DistroKid charges a fee of $1 a month. That's $12 a year to manage the cover song for you. So what they do, they obtain the license. Remember, if you go yourself through Harry Fox, that's going to cost you a few $100, okay? They're going to also pay the original songwriter every month. So, you know, let's say you make a cover of I did a cover of an Elvis Costello song, right? I'm not calling up Elvis and being like, hey, here's your money, man. You know what I mean? They're going to do that for you. You know what I mean? That's mailbox money for the original artist. So you just click, follow the instructions that they give you, and that's pretty simple. So let me unclick that so we get rid of all those options. And the only reason why this is taking so long is just because I'm explaining it to you right now. Okay? You click all the important boxes. You click done. Your album artwork is uploading. The track will upload, and then you go to the final steps. Now, I'm not going to complete this process because I'm not really putting the song out. I just want to show you how easy it is to get your music to all the important places. Look, when I put my record out within a couple of weeks, and I was lucky, I got on a Spotify editorial playlist, got that DistroKid automatically made sure I got that verified checkmark, and all those things, they may seem little, but they are really important. I mean, DistroKid didn't have anything to do with me getting on the editorial playlist, but it wouldn't be on the editorial playlist, which led to being on several other playlists, including Spotify editorial playlists, if I weren't on Spotify. So you can't just like upload anything directly to Spotify. You have to go through a distributor like DistroKid. So I really recommend them for all those features I mentioned, especially the price per year, especially if you want to do a cover and you can kind of skip all the red tape of that. So if you are into that and you want to get your music out there, go on and click that link below and you'll get a discount to get started today. All right, I'll see you in the next video with more bass tips, tricks, and tutorials, man. You know how I do it every time. Peace, two fingers.